This is what my lettuce looks like 3 weeks after planting and I'm ready to harvest. I can do this one of two ways. I can do the haircut method, which just means I cut off about 1 to 2 inches across the top. Just like that, just like you see there. But I am hungry, so I'm going to do a single leaf method where I cut as close to the base as possible. So I'm supposed to take the biggest leaves and leave the smaller ones behind to continue growing. As you can see here, I've just taken them all, giving it a nice buzz cut. Was this the right thing to do? Well, in my experience, it's been just fine, but now I must wait longer for leaves to grow back. Remember to harvest early and often. Typically, you wait 3 weeks for the first harvest, then you can continue to prune two times a week for a few months. I love the Aerogarden because the growth rate is way faster here than in the ground or in a container, which can take 40 plus days to reach a harvest size. So an issue I had with this lettuce is how very tender it is. I want it crispier. So next time I'm going to have a fan blow gently on the lettuce. Why? I've read that it toughens up the leaves, so we'll see if that happens. This is one of the fastest growing crops out there, so if you're planting for the first time, I recommend growing lettuce because there is a quick reward.